Hello, if you are wondering about this fabric case from POCO X7 Pro, if you wonder about the quality, so let me show you how it actually looks. First of all, it's actually flexible. It's made out of the silicone or rubber, I'm actually not sure. And that's how it looks inside. We've got this small pattern right here that comes all the way down from the top. We've got cutouts from the USB port, speakers, AR blaster, and now I'm going to show you how it actually looks on the phone. So if you plan to purchase this phone, and if you are wondering if you have to purchase, something a little bit better, then take a look. First of all, the case actually comes above camera set. So this is the small bumper that will allow us to don't scratch our cameras when we put it on the flat surface. And it actually looks the same when we take a look on the screen. So as you can see at the corners, I'm gonna try to catch focus on it. There we go. So as you can see on the corners, it comes above the screen. So when you put it like that, you actually cannot scratch your screen. Of course, if you have here something like, some pieces of the dust or stuff like this, there's a chance that this could actually stick with your screen. But if it's completely clean, like in my case, then you shouldn't actually scratch your screen. And this is it. It's actually well made. Yeah, I can definitely recommend you this case. So if you try to purchase this phone, you don't actually have to purchase the new case. You can try to use this one for a few weeks and then try to decide if you want to get the new one. That will be all.